helicopter. An aircraft that is borne along by one or more sets of long rotating blades which allow it to hover, move in any direction including reverse or land, and typically having a smaller set of blades on its tail that stabilize the aircraft. A powered troweling machine with spinning blades used to spread concrete. The winged fruit of certain trees, such as ash, elm, and maple. Slang, a dragonfly. A whirling trick performed with devil sticks. Transitive, to transport by helicopter. Intransitive, to travel by helicopter. To rotate like a helicopter blade. To overprotect one's children. H E L I C O P T E R. Helicopter.